Lynn only wanted to plant a small tree quickly. But the hard ground makes her life difficult. Luckily, Max has the right tool to hand. The Aerospade is the perfect tool for overcoming this challenge, and it's easy to use. The spade effortlessly penetrates the soil as if by magic. And in doing so, makes gardening work a pleasure. Roots don't stop the Aerospade either. And even stones are not a problem. Max is now facing a tough job. And the Aerospade is also his first choice on the building site. Removing tiles is an easy task. A brick wall is no longer a major obstacle. And floor coverings are detached at the touch of a button. With numerous different attachments, it's up to a whole host of challenges. Be it in the home or garden, the Aerospade is the ideal multifunctional tool.
Make your power drill a powerful slate-cutting shear. Malco's versatile and portable turbo shear gets professional results fast and easy. A minimum drill speed of 1400 RPM is all you need to ensure optimal performance in 4 to 8 mm natural roofing slate. This slate-cutting turbo shear is capable of making accurate straight, angled, or curved cuts to accommodate any roof line or roofing pattern. A streamlined, lightweight aluminum shear head and telescoping drill clamp make this compact attachment adjustable for both length and width of any corded or cordless drill, including smaller lithium-ion models. Smooth, easy, one-hand operation always leaves a free hand to steady the work when making cuts on a bench or rooftop. Cutting slate with the finished side up produces an authentic-looking, hand-cut appearance. And a padded skid plate prevents scratches to the exposed slate finish. The long-wearing blade and skid plate are also easily replaceable on the job. You can even rotate the tool's skid plate to maximize acceptable cutting life. Cut thousands of linear feet of roofing slate quickly and easily all season long. The Slate Cutting Turbo Shear from Malco. Look for it wherever traditional roofing or specialty roofing tools are sold.
Introducing the most powerful, compact sectional on the market. From top to bottom, every piece was built with purpose. The 3/4 horsepower motor delivers 700 RPM cable speed, so you can power through the toughest jobs. And its compact size makes getting in and out easier. Change cable sizes easily, without additional tools. Our unique cable management system helps you work faster and cleaner. Cut downtime by servicing the clutch in the field. Sometimes a little upgrade can make a big difference. Cleaner fluid management and a smaller footprint make residential jobs possible, even for a commercial workhorse. It's the sectional tool you need on your truck. Designed to actually fit on the truck. The all-new RIDGID K5208 sectional machine.
Your air compressor is a true workhorse tool, so get one that delivers industrial performance with increased durability, less noise, and faster recovery. Get an industrial-grade air compressor from MAKITA. MAKITA compressors are powered by a 4-pole induction motor with direct drive for improved power and longer operating speed. Lower RPM means less noise and easier startups. The large cast iron cylinder pumps feature Makita's exclusive big bore cylinder and piston with heavy-duty crankshafts, so your compressor gets faster recovery and increased productivity. Pro contractors require industrial-grade compressors for top job site performance. MAKITA industrial-grade compressors deliver proven durability, less noise, and faster recovery.
I'm Reggie Farley. I've been doing electrical work for over 20 years. A lot of jobs will not allow you to strip wire with knives anymore. For those sites, this tool is a must. For our younger workers that we're bringing up into the trade, that teaches them the safety culture and they know what it's like to work safe. DEWALT has come a long way. They've made leaps and bounds to make things easier for the person out in the field.
SAWZALL cut just as fast as any other one, if not a little bit faster than most that I've used, and was still comfortable and not hard on your hands and your arms to use. Convenient to grab something cordless and know it's going to have plenty of power and the ability to do what you need it to do. And it's something that I would use on a daily basis.
The fuel saw has more power than even a cord-connected saw. It's comparable in weight, and it made a nice straight cut. Seems to last a long time for the fact that it's a battery saw. And it's certainly more convenient not having to drag around a cord.
Had power and cut through everything from wood to steel, better than the cordless SAWZALL that we have. The speed of cut seemed to be a lot faster. The batteries lasted longer.
It cut right through everything that we were cutting. The steel rebar, 2x4s, didn't matter. Cut right through it. And it felt sturdier and really felt well built when you're using it. It's definitely more mobile. You don't have to drag around the cord. You don't have to be near a power source. It's a total advantage as far as setup time and getting the job done.
The fuel SAWZALL is very aggressive, it was very powerful, cut was superb, cut right through it, even the hardest materials. Cordless is great, the battery life is outstanding, it'll outwork any other SAWZALL that I've ever used.